Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Minute Tech Story, the show where we break down the latest tech news in just 5 minutes. I'm your host, Dustin, and today we're diving into something truly groundbreaking from Apple, their new personal AI system called Apple Intelligence. If you're an Apple fan or just curious about how AI is changing our devices, this one's for you. Let's jump right in. So, with the release of the iPhone 16, Apple dropped a huge new feature, Apple Intelligence. You might be wondering, what is this Apple Intelligence and how does it fit into my life? Well, in a nutshell, it's a personal AI system built directly into Apple devices like the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Apple's goal here? To help you get things done effortlessly while keeping your privacy intact. Apple Intelligence blends advanced AI models with a deep understanding of your personal context, like your contacts, messages, and calendar appointments. But this is key. It keeps your data private. Everything happens right on your device, with some tasks processed securely in the cloud. So let's dive into what makes Apple Intelligence such a game changer. Apple Intelligence is all about making your life easier. Whether you're drafting an email, managing notifications, or creating visuals, this AI works behind the scenes to simplify things. A great example is writing tools. Available across apps like Mail, Notes, and Pages, these tools help you proofread, summarize, and rewrite text with just a tap. Imagine having an assistant who knows exactly how you like your emails to sound and can tighten up a long passage in seconds. Another cool feature is priority notifications. We all get overwhelmed by notifications, right? Apple Intelligence sorts them by importance, surfacing only the ones you really need to see. That means fewer distractions and more focus on what truly matters. If you're into creative work, you'll love Image Wand and Image Playground. These tools allow you to transform a simple sketch into a fully realized image or create personalized visuals just by describing what you want. It's perfect for artists or anyone who loves dabbling with digital creativity. Now, let's talk about Siri. We've all used Siri at some point, but Apple Intelligence takes it to a whole new level. Siri now has deeper system integration and a much better understanding of context. You can ask Siri to perform complex tasks, like finding specific photos or even organizing multiple apps at once. Plus, you can interact with Siri by voice or by typing. It's up to you. Another standout feature is audio transcription and summaries. You can now record calls in the phone app or jot down voice notes in the Notes app, and Apple Intelligence will automatically transcribe them for you. It even generates summaries of the conversation, which is super useful if you don't want to sift through the entire transcript. Apple Intelligence also has a photo cleanup tool that lets you remove distractions from your photos with a tap. This keeps your images looking sharp without altering the core elements. And if you're a fan of emojis, Apple's introducing custom Genmojis. Basically, you can create personalized emojis based on descriptions or even your own photos. So how do you actually use Apple Intelligence? It's pretty intuitive. Siri is your central hub. You can activate Apple Intelligence by simply asking Siri for help, either by voice or typing. Writing tools pop up whenever you're in a text field, like when you're drafting an email or taking notes. And for image creation, you'll find tools like Image Wand right in apps like Photos and Notes. Notifications? Apple Intelligence automatically sorts and summarizes them for you, so you're always in control of what's most important. And for transcription, it's just a tap away when you're recording a call or taking notes. Now let's touch on privacy, something Apple is really emphasizing here. Apple Intelligence is designed with privacy at its core. Most of the processing happens right on your device, meaning your personal information stays with you. If something needs to be processed in the cloud, Apple uses private cloud compute to ensure that your data is only used for that specific task and never stored or shared. And if any features involve ChatGPT integration, Apple gives you full control. Nothing is shared without your permission. So, when can you start using Apple Intelligence? It's rolling out in December 2024 with iOS 18.1, iPadOS 18.1, and macOS Sequoia 15.1. At first, it'll only be available in US English, but don't worry, support for other languages like Chinese, French, Japanese, and Spanish is coming soon. All in all, Apple Intelligence represents a huge leap forward in personal AI. It's designed to simplify your life while keeping your privacy safe. Whether you're writing, creating, or just trying to manage your day-to-day tasks, Apple Intelligence is there to help. It's like having a personal assistant that's always one step ahead, but it's also incredibly private and secure. That's it for today's 5-minute tech story. I hope you're as excited as I am to see Apple Intelligence in action. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you next time on 5-Minute Tech Story.
See you in the next episode of 5 Minutes Tech Story. Story world forever is forever away. See you in the next episode of 5 Minutes Tech Story. So in the next episode of 5 Minutes Tech Story.